Good morning. It's Saturday currently. I'm getting ready for work. I don't have a whole lot of time, but I wanted to use the Colourpop Ooh LaLa palette today because I haven't used it yet since I got it. So I'm just going to do a quick little get ready with me. I'm probably going to speed through most of this because if I sit here and jibber jabber, I'm going to be late. So yeah, just keep watching. I will try and voice over and explain anything that I need to, and I'm just gonna get into it. First, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a Real Techniques brush, just whatever brush. I just kind of grab whatever brush is closest that's clean to blend it out, since it really doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 5 brush that has a cat hair on it. Ignore that, get used to that on this channel. But we're going to go into Soft Core in the Colourpop Ooh LaLa palette and just blend that in the crease, really just blowing it out and kind of fluffing it everywhere. If the wooden closet door in the background bothers you as much as it bothers me, don't worry, I painted it white today, so no more ugly old closet door. Now I'm going to take a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 6 brush. This is just a little bit smaller blending brush, and we're going to go into Sandbar, which is this beautiful bright pink shade. And we're just going to take that in the crease just a little bit lower and on the outer corner. Now on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 8 brush, we're going to go into Trove, which is this like maroon shade down here, and we're just going to deepen up that outer corner. If you couldn't already tell, I'm a huge fan of the Studio Pro brush line from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm going to go in with some Colourpop No Filter Concealer to cut my crease. I have no idea what shade this is because the sticker fell off of it. And I'm going on a Morphe M421 brush to cut my crease. And I'm just doing a half cut crease today. Now I'm going to take Big Sugar, which is this beautiful cotton candy pink shade, on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 9 brush. It's just a little flat brush. And we're going to take that on like the middle part of the eyelid. Now we're going to go in with Tickled on another clean BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 9 brush. And we're going to take that on the inner third of the eyelid and kind of blend it over into that other pink shade. Then go back into Trove on the same brush we used earlier and just blend out that outer edge. Now I'm just going back in with more of that Big Sugar shade, just blending back and forth until I'm happy with what it looks like. Now that the eye looks done, I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop All-Star Primer. I was having major focus issues today. This is the Colourpop No Filter Stick Foundation in the shade Fair N27. This is truly my favorite foundation. I hardly ever touch any of my other foundations since I discovered this a few months ago. It lasts a long time on my skin. I feel like it's a good shade for me. It's really comfortable. A little goes a long way. You can build it up. I just can't say enough good things about it. Oh, and I'm using an Eco Tools sponge to blend. Again, with the focus issues, this just happened a lot today. This is Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. Now I'm going to go in with some Coty Airspun powder. This is the shade Translucent Extra Coverage, which also will not focus. I don't know what's going on today. I like to set what I would consider my more problem areas with a sponge, like under my eyes, my T-zone, my smile lines, my chin, And then I'll go back in with a brush on the rest of my face with a little bit lighter amount. Ashlyn got me this brush at Marshall's. I'm not sure if it's available anymore, but it's literally my favorite powder brush ever. Now I'm just contouring with a little Wet n Wild brush. The contour I'm using is something that I do not plan on repurchasing, so if you have any suggestions for a nice cool tone contour, let me know. And the brush I used for my nose is from Real Techniques. I believe it's a concealer brush, but I will find it and link it. Now I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer on another Wet n Wild brush. I'm sorry, I don't have names for these Wet n Wild brushes. They're just the little pink and white ones that you can get for really cheap at Walgreens. And they're actually really great brushes. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bake. I don't always do this. I only do it when I just want to clean up lines a little bit. Or if I'm feeling extra that day, you know. Now I'm going to go in with the Milani Romantic Rose Blush and on another Wet n Wild brush. This came in a holiday set. For my highlight today, I'm going to go in with my Alyse Marie Cosmetics Kilo Highlighter, which unfortunately I dropped and broke. I tried to fix it. It's holding together just barely, but you can see it crumbled out. This is one of my favorite highlighters, and it smells like butterscotch. It smells so good. But this is truly a great highlighter. She's a small brand, but it's amazing. You really need to check it out. I'll link it below. Now I'm just going in with a little Morphe smudge brush to do under my brows and my inner corners. Gonna set real quick with the Colourpop All-Star Setting Spray. Now I'm gonna go in with Trove on a Real Techniques smudge brush on my lower lash line. I just used a white gel eyeliner from LA Girl on my waterline. Then we're gonna go into Sandbar again on a Real Techniques Precision smudge brush, I believe this is. I did my lashes off camera because, again, it was a struggle bus. For a lip, I'm going in with Colourpop Femme Ultra Satin Lip, which is one of my favorite colors ever. I just love this lip color so much. I wear it all the time. And here's the completed look. I really love how it came out. I was just so happy with my makeup today. It was a good makeup day. I was feeling it. I loved this eyeshadow. You know, my hair, not so much, but it was bun day 3. I was feeling lazy. It happens. But yeah, have a good day. Hey, what you guys doing, huh? You taking a nap in the sun?